Hello and thank you for watching this video. I'm Sergio with Mobility Scooters Direct, here today to do a review video of the Transport M by EV Rider. This is a folding mobility scooter. It has a red lever on the left side. We have two models here. One is the older model in teal, light bluish green color, and the newer model, which has some slight modifications to the design, in copper to the left. They both work the same way, just a few minor design adjustments which we'll go over. These mobility scooters fold up with the lever that's on the left side, the red lever. Both of them, the newer and the older model, have the red lever. However, they have a slightly different design to the levers themselves. You can actually push the lever down with your foot to disengage the frame lock, which will allow it to kind of fold up on itself, which we'll demonstrate here in just a moment. The maximum load on these transport mobility scooters are 250 pounds. They do have a fold-down seat which is padded and very comfortable. It's a very lightweight scooter, just under 60 pounds. To disassemble it, you use your foot to press that red lever and then fold the seat forward while bringing the tiller handlebars over the seat. You can then lift the scooter up on the anti-tip wheels and roll it around with the handle on the rear of the scooter, which makes it very convenient for transporting. Unfolding the scooter is done with the same red lever. You simply push on it and lift the handlebars up. You will need to hear a click to confirm that the scooter has opened all of the way. On the dash, we have an ignition system. The scooter comes with a spare key. That's 2 keys. You have a light switch to turn on the lights on the front, which will help illuminate the path in front of you if you're traveling with limited light. The horn is quite loud, and there is a speed adjustment knob. Counterclockwise makes the unit go slow, and clockwise will increase the top speed. The Transport M scooter works with a delta tiller system, which allows you to operate the scooter single-handedly with your right or left hand. With the right hand, if you pull back on the trigger, it goes backwards. Push forward, it goes forwards. With the left hand, if you push forward, it goes backwards. If you push back on the lever, it goes forward. Pretty neat. You can use both hands and very, very convenient. You can also adjust the height of the handlebar by loosening the tiller bar adjustment knob, raising it or lowering it, and then retightening it once you have the handlebars at the desired level. Again, you simply have to loosen and tighten that adjustment knob to find that comfort zone. Very easy to use. The rear of the scooter is also equipped with a LED light system and a reflector, as well as anti-tip wheels, which will help you in the event that you start to tilt back a little bit. The scooter itself has a very tight turning radius. It's a 4-wheel scooter, but technically it's going to have the design of a 3-wheel scooter since those front wheels are so close together. So if you need something that can take tight turns and make those sharp corners, this is it. Something that you notice about the newer model is it has a freewheel lever, so you can actually disengage the brakes and push it manually. The old unit does not. When you take the seat off using the red pull knob on the left side of the chair, you can access the charging port and remove the battery much easier. The charging port has a little cover. Once you move the cover to the side, you can connect the 3-pin XLR charging cable. When you first get the scooter, we recommend charging it overnight. You can remove the battery by picking it up on the handle and dropping it back in to reinstall it. To reinstall the seat, look for the hooks on the bottom. Those slide into the front 2 posts, and you'll have to just push that red pin back in when you get it into position so that it secures the seat down. Very easy, very user-friendly. Something else you'll notice about this scooter is that you cannot push it. Like most mobility scooters, they will lock up with the electromagnetic brakes unless you turn the unit off and disengage the freewheel lever like we showed you earlier on the rear on the right side. If the scooter's in freewheel mode, you can push it, but the batteries and the motor will not work. So if you go to turn it on and you notice it's not working, check to make sure that your scooter's not in freewheel mode. If it is, and it's not working, all you have to do is turn off the scooter and then engage the braking system so that it's not in freewheel mode anymore. After you do that, you can turn the power back on and your scooter should work as intended just fine. All in all, we think the Transport M folding mobility scooter is a great option for anyone looking for a folding unit that's easy to transport. We offer it for sale tax-free and with free shipping. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.